So you are tired of hearing about all these easy ways to make money online. And yet, every time you try one, it just doesn't click. Maybe you try marketing, drop shipping, or selling stuff on Amazon. Maybe you binge watch YouTube videos filled with promises of passive income. And maybe you are still stuck wondering, why is this not working for me? Look, I get it, all right? I've been there. I wasted months trying methods that work for everyone except me. That's why in this video, I'm going to show you 2 online businesses that are actually working right now in 2025, especially if you are starting with zero audience, no technical background, and no clue where to begin. These are not get-rich-quick schemes, but they also don't require you to build the next Amazon either. Stick with me until the end, because the second business I'll show you could be the fastest way to earn money online without creating any product or running any ads. Let's start with business number 2, YouTube. All right, YouTube is often overlooked by beginners, but it's one of the most reliable ways to build an online income stream that compounds over time. And here's how it works. Once you meet the requirements for monetization, YouTube pays you for the ads shown in your videos. The 2 numbers that matter most are, number 1, CPM. CPM means what advertisers pay per 1,000 monetized views. Number 2, RPM. It means what you actually take home. But that's not the only way you earn, all right? Once you have traffic, you can use that visibility to promote affiliate products, digital products, or even your own services. Now, before you say, but Daniel, I don't want to show my face or spend hours editing videos. Let me stop you right there. You can actually start faceless, scripted, and fully automated if you want to. There are many channels out there doing 5 figures a month using only AI voiceovers, stock footage, and keyword research. And here's what matters most if you want to start your YouTube channel. Number 1, pick a niche you actually care about. Number 2, research what people are searching for. Number 3, make videos that answer real questions. Number 4, focus on your hook, title, and retention. Because the secret to YouTube is very simple. If people click and stay, YouTube will push your video to even more people. All right? No, success doesn't happen overnight, but just one video can go viral and bring in income for years. YouTube is not just a platform, it's a library of leverage. And the more valuable content you stack on those shelves, the more you can earn. Now, here comes my number 1 recommendation. This is the one I start with if I had to make my first $1,000 online as soon as possible again. Let's talk about what I think is the best business for beginners in 2025, and that's selling digital products with master resale rights. Here's how it works. You buy a proven digital product that already sells, and you get the right to resell it as your own, and you keep 100% of the profit. No product creation, no fulfillment, no waiting for commissions. It's not just a product, all right? It's actually a full business in a box. You simply plug it in, personalize your store, and you are in business. Some of these digital products come with pre-built funnels, high-converting emails, coaching communities, done-for-you graphics, scripts, and ad templates. I've helped thousands of people from stay-at-home moms to former truck drivers plug into this business model and earn their first real online income without any technical background or becoming a social media influencer. And if you want to scale it even faster, pair it with YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or simple lead generation ads, and it becomes a real income machine. All right, this isn't theory. This is the same system I'd hand my own family if they needed to start making money from home today. Here's what I've learned after trying everything. All right, almost every business model works, but not all of them are worth it for beginners. Some take months or years before you actually see results. Some cost you thousands to test ideas, and some, let's be honest, are better for selling a dream than building reality. If I had to start over today, I start by selling digital products with master resale rights for fast profit, and I'd build a YouTube channel to fuel long-term growth. That's it, all right? Simple, proven, repeatable. Now, if you want real help getting started with either of these businesses, I've just opened up a few consultation spots. You can apply for a real one-on-one call with me or someone on my team. We'll take a look at what you are currently working on, where you are stuck, and see if we can help you grow faster without wasting time on outdated dead-end strategies. There's a link down below in the video description for you to apply. Spots are limited. And also let me know in the comments which business model are you leaning toward. I'll see you in my next video. Let's go.